Alright, I'm going to do a quick cold weather guide. We get a lot of questions regarding these trucks during the winter. First things first, you're going to notice a lot of difference, obviously, between starting compared to the summer. If your truck takes longer, if you're going to try to crank it 1 or 2 times, that's normal. We recommend in the 7.3 and 6.0s, even the other trucks, running like a T6 synthetic oil during the winter. Helps it start a lot faster. It gets that oil fluctuating through the high pressure oil system. With the 7.3 and 6.0s, when you turn the key, even after the glow plug light goes out, your glow plugs are still lit. So we recommend at least waiting a minute, let those glow plugs stay turned on. So just leave that key turned to the on position, let it sit for about a minute, and then crank it. No need to cycle the glow plugs. Just let them sit there for a minute and they will stay illuminated. For keeping your truck clean, you want to pay attention to the door bottoms, fenders, tailgate, cab lights up at the top. Can't see them obviously. Front fenders. I get my truck oil sprayed very heavily before the first snow, so that's been done. And I guess the first line of defense against corrosion is to park the truck all winter long. But some of us don't have that luxury. I try to keep my truck here in the driveway and not drive it as much, but occasionally I will have to take it out on the roads. So at least wash your truck once a week out in this weather. Pull the rubber off the bottom of the doors. My doors are really dirty right now because they've been oil sprayed and some dirt's been collecting, but I'm fine with that. But the rubber, they have plugs that fill up these holes here and it retains water, and they all rust out. Same with the bottom of the doors on both the extended cab and the crew cab. This obviously you can see all the residue from the grease and the oil, and I'm just leaving that on there for now. Inside the rockers, they like to rust out, so rinse from inside. Go to the car wash or get into a heated garage and rinse from inside. Same with the cab corners. You want to make sure that those are staying clean. Right now my truck's super clean as far as rust goes. It just looks filthy right now because of all the dirt, and I'm just kind of leaving it on there because I basically coated the entire truck with oil. I filled the rockers, the cab corners, the doors with oil, so I just let that dirt just cling to that. Fenders, make sure you rinse inside. They like to rust in certain places, and it's probably going to rust no matter what, but oil spray helps. I even shoot spray inside of that filler door. When you're rinsing your truck off, open the tailgate and rinse along the bottom inside lip here, because they like to rot out from the inside. Spray inside everything you can, both if you oil spray it or if you're just going to the car wash. You want to get this thing as clean as possible. A lot of guys use hot water if you can find it. Biggest thing is start these trucks. Let them warm up for at least 5 minutes. You don't need to let them warm up for half an hour. All that does is increase engine wear, use fuel, and especially in a 6.0, you collect deposits from the exhaust, and you can clog up your VGT turbo. Just be safe, show common sense out there, and if you have any questions, just let me know.